Hey guys, I'm Lee and welcome to The Exporter. Let me tell you exactly how this works. It's a super easy process. The first thing you're gonna do is fill out our form. It takes a couple of minutes, it's super simple. From there, our team is gonna learn everything that they need to know about your car. You're gonna tell us all about it. You're gonna tell us all the things that you've done to it, any condition that it has to have. But the other amazing thing that our team does is they're gonna go look into the Canadian values, the American values. They're gonna look into the book values, and we're gonna find out everything we can about your car to get you the maximum value we possibly can. Now, the next step is great. We're gonna send you an email with an offer. And you don't have to accept that offer. We're still gonna give you all that information so you can make a great educated decision on whatever your next step is. Now, we're also gonna send you a text message with a link to the offer as well. And here's the great part. If you want to just do everything online, you totally can. If you don't want to talk to us, it's totally fine, but we do love to talk with our customers. We love to build relationships, and it's a bunch of nice people, so you don't have to worry about it. We're here to help you as best we can. So if you accept the offer, fantastic. You are going to set up an appointment with us, just in a quick little link. What date works best for you? If you need to reschedule it, you can. And what you're gonna do is let us know when the best day to pick up your vehicle is. Remember that we don't charge anything. There's no fees and there's no pickup fees. So everything is all about getting you the most value for your car possible. If you have a lease, or if you have a finance, or if you have a lien on your vehicle, don't worry about it. We'll handle all of that for you ahead of time. We'll take care of all of the necessary documents and paperwork. And again, we do all that for free. So it's a great opportunity for you guys to not sink money into those types of fees and structures. Everything goes back to you. So if you guys accept the offer, fantastic. What you're gonna do next is set up an appointment in our calendar. And if you have to reschedule, no problem. But the point of that is just letting us know the most convenient time for you to pick up your vehicle, or you can bring it to us, whatever works best for you. And remember, if you have a lien on the vehicle or if you're in a lease, we're gonna help you take care of all that paperwork absolutely free. We're here to support you in every way we can. All right, it's gonna be pretty simple from there. You guys are basically gonna have a certified check and you're gonna deposit in the bank. Now listen, I know everybody's a little scared about checks and certification, all those things. Remember, we are a registered car dealer, and our team will actually walk in the bank with you with receipts, pay off liens, pay off loans, and deposit the money in your account. So it's completely safe, easy, and we want to make sure that you guys feel comfortable every step of the way. Okay guys, so let me take a quick minute to walk you through our entire process. It only takes a few minutes. It's super simple. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the VIN number of the vehicle to make sure that we check out the history of the car. We check for any claims and accidents, but the most important part here is that we check for safety recalls. That's what's gonna allow us to export the vehicle and get you the most money for your car. Now, if it's outstanding, that's okay. We can help you to get that sorted, but we definitely want to do our due diligence and make sure that we have that handled. The next thing that we're gonna do is check the American Carfax. We're gonna check the American Carfax because that's what the American buyers are gonna see. And we wanna make sure that there's no discrepancy between what the Canadian Carfax says and the American Carfax. And if we have to make that phone call and make sure that everything's correct, we can do that. The best part of also having the US Carfax is that you can print the window sticker. And this is a huge part of getting you the most value for your car. Now, when algorithms are searching for the price of your car, or when a computer is generating that system, sometimes they can miss options, and options in your vehicle can scale from $0 to $20,000. We want to make sure we're getting every options on your car accounted for when coming up with a vehicle. So we're going to have the window sticker, and we're also going to check the history to make sure that there are no issues. All right, the next part is really exciting. This is where we come up with the value of your vehicle. Now, we're gonna use your VIN number to decode the truck and get us an estimate of what the vehicles have been selling for historically in the last 30, 60, 90 days. That's kind of our baseline for where to start. Now, this doesn't include all the options that might actually raise the value, but allows us to get a strong idea of what that vehicle's worth today. And that's what we're gonna start basing and building our value on going forward. So I actually do a really in detail description of how we come up with the whole pricing structure on our YouTube channel and in our social media. So be sure to follow us if you want to watch that entire breakdown. All right, one of the last pieces of the puzzle is that we want to make sure that we find out what your vehicle is worth in Canada. Now remember, we've got a massive group of dealers in Canada as well, and sometimes your vehicle can actually be worth more in Canada, and that's just because of the current demand. And so if our goal is to get you the most money for your vehicle, then we want to make sure that we don't send it to the US if we can get more here for you. We want to make sure that we get you everything we can. So we're going to do our entire due diligence and find out what the vehicle's worth in both locations. Now, you've probably heard me say this before, but it's the thing I'm most proud of, and it's the thing that I want to focus on. We are a team here. We're not using these algorithms. We're not just coming up with a generic price. So the last thing that we do in the exporter is we get a second opinion. We take all that information, we share it together. We say, hey guys, this is what I'm thinking. What are you thinking? Am I in line? Is there more there? Can we find more value for this customer? And even sometimes, just talking amongst our team, somebody goes, hey, I know someone that'll pay a little bit more for that car today. So getting a second opinion, discussing amongst ourselves, is just a guarantee that you're actually getting the most possible value for your car today. All right, guys, so now we've come full circle, and it's our job to get you that maximum value, send you that offer, and make sure that you become part of the family at the exporter. I'm really excited to work with you. The best thing you can do right now is fill out the form. It'll only take a few minutes. Let's get in touch, and let's see what your car is really worth.